Hi everybody, I'm Joe with Speedway Motors Tech Talk. We're back with Kevin, and today we're going to talk about mirrors, which is not necessarily the most exciting of hot rod topics, but we sell an awful lot of these and we have a lot of questions about them. And so today, hopefully Kevin's going to answer some of your questions.
You bet, Joe. Starting off, we've got our universal mirror here in 4-inch. These are highly adaptable to a lot of different vehicles. Mounts right up on your window ledge. You can rotate this actual arm around here just by removing the screw a little bit, and that's going to spin around and allow you to go driver's side, passenger side, whatever you need to do to hang that.
And it has a little detent on it too to actually kind of lock it in place once you've clocked it.
And you can clock it pretty much any way around that you want to go. Now going from right to left, you will have to remove this little screw here as well.
So this one part number works driver's side and passenger side?
Driver's side and passenger side. Once you remove this, you simply just take this arm off. There's a little washer there as well. Spin that around to the other side. Line it up and reinstall the screw, and you're back to the other side of the vehicle. So either way, that's going to hang driver's side or passenger side with just a simple one screw taken out and flipping that around on the arm. Same thing here. This would be the 3-inch design. Exact same setup. Screw for running the base around, clocking it. Same screw here, pulling that out, putting that on, driver's side, passenger side, whichever way you want to go.
And this is the same, the arm is the same between these two part numbers, but the difference is that this is a way smaller mirror.
Yep, 3-inch diameter mirror here compared to the 4-inch diameter mirror. This would probably be more like what you'd want on a 32 5 window or something like that. If you're looking for a little more mirror to see out of and actually be functional, you're going to want to go with the 4.
And then this one, the mirror is the same, it's a 4-inch mirror, but the arm is different?
Yeah, the arm on this one is also clockable, so you can hang driver's side or passenger side. Difference is it's got that straight arm going across. You're going to want to hang this more off of the front edge of your windowsill, not up on top like the other style there. So this one here, just a little different design, but it is still universal, will work both left and right side.
And on all of these, this clamp mechanism where it clamps to the door edge is the same?
Yep, we actually supply a little set screw or an Allen head here for these set screws. Comes in the box. Once you slide that over your drip rail or your windowsill, just screw those down in, tighten them up, and you're clamped onto your window.
All right, you've got your 54 Chevy here. We're going to put a couple of these on, right?
Yes, I've chosen the 4-inch diameter here just to give me a little more area to be able to see out behind me. 3-inch I thought would just be a little too small in the car itself.
Okay, you ready to go?
Yep.
You've got this all set up to mount on the driver's side. How did you decide where you were going to put it?
Basically, I decided I wanted to line this arm up here with the center post on the window. So with that in place, it just hangs up over the top of your window here. And then on the back side, there's 2 little set screws that get put in and hold it in place. Basically just a grip.
And you had to put a divot in your stainless, nice original stainless trim to get this to sit right. Typically you wouldn't have to do that without the stainless.
That's correct. Most doors aren't going to have the stainless trim on here. This old rat rod I'm building here, I did dimple that stainless trim a little bit just because it's a lot thicker than just your standard door edge up here. One option you could do as well is to do a little trimming, cut a section out, and just go out around that mirror base there as well.
And these mirrors also come with these little rubber isolators to keep the mirror from wobbling around and chipping the paint if it was a painted surface here. In this case with the stainless, we don't really care. So thank you, Kevin, that was helpful. Hopefully this answers some of your questions about how these mirrors mount. And thanks for watching Speedway Motors Tech Talk.